Welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. First, I'll talk about the hull side. We've equipped this boat with the white hull side and black canvas. For the motor option, we've put the Mercury V8 Verado 250 horsepower engine on. Across the swim platform and in your walkway here, we have the brown sea deck matting. This boat is equipped with the ski pylon for your water sports. One of the other great features about this boat is the movable backrest on the sun pad, give you rear-facing seating, and that does fold down flat to give you a full sun pad across the transom as well. One of the other great features about this boat is the amount of storage you pick up. Underneath the sun pad, you have really deep, wide storage, great for beach chairs, water toys, and the rest of your gear that you're going to bring along with you. Another great feature about the 230 SPX outboard is our battery switch is right here as you come in and out of the boat, so it's easily accessible. Got a great seating layout. You've got L-shaped seating with opposing facing seating to turn this into a great entertaining space. We've optioned this boat out with the upgraded Infinity woven carpet liner. You have a bucket seat at the helm as well as on the port side for the companion seating. At the helm, you have a Fusion stereo, and we've equipped this boat with the 9-inch Simrad with digital dash. So we've removed all of the analog gauges on the dash. This is also your GPS and chart plotter in there. This boat is also equipped with the head. You have a pump out head. And up in the bow, you have some great wraparound seating for 3 and a full length for an adult to stretch out. We have a nice big ski locker in the floor with a piano hinge. Great storage, designated storage underneath the aft seat, and a drain built into the storage compartment here, so you can use this as an additional onboard cooler. That's a real quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. If you'd like to see this boat in person or any other Sea Rays we have in stock, ask for me, Dean Ashton. I'll be happy to help you out.